purpose of this standard operating procedure is to provide instructions for the sampling of groundwater runoff from the Texas A&M University golf course using the systematic random sampling method. The primary objective for this SOP is measuring the level of contaminants in the runoff in order to determine if the land and schools downstream are negatively affected.
Water sampling equipment includes the following: 8 to 10 ounce glass jars with screw-tight lids, logbook, labels, chain of custody records with custody seals, cooler, ice pack, deionized water, dipper, bag, pens, pH meter, stakes, and safety equipment.
Identify and mark all sampling locations starting upstream. Use stakes to stake out every 15 feet on a 105-foot area along the length of the stream.
Before sampling, it is important to clean all sampling equipment thoroughly with deionized water. At the designated location, fill the sampling dipper with water. Place the sampled water in a clean glass jar with a Teflon-lined lid. Rinse the pH meter with deionized water, then place in the sampling jar to take a pH reading. It is important to label the jars appropriately. After labeling, place jars into an ice chest for preservation.
The rinsate sample will be taken after a prior water sampling. You will rinse off the dipper with deionized water and collect the rinsate blank in a glass sampling jar. Background samples are collected in an attempt to determine the natural composition of the aqueous matrix and are considered clean samples. This sample is a control and will be taken just as all the regular samples are taken, but its location will be furthest upstream. Continue labeling the QA/QC samples just like a regular sample. It is imperative that you only know that these samples are QA/QC samples.